hit my tee shot into the water, so I had to take a penalty shot and then I 3-putted. I'm not sure which one of those two are making all the racket in the morning. They both might have to disappear. I said, "Where's the rice, baby?"
No.
So, oh, I forgot the rice. I have rice soup.
Yes.
I have rice soup, but not just like rice.
You can
I
eat.
said, how can you not have rice? This is Thailand.
Soup. Rice. มะม่วง
Mamuang?
มะม่วง
Mamuang?
บักม่วง
Oh, got some cucumbers too.
บักบวบ
Babuap?
อันนี้บักม่วง อันนี้บักบวบ
Mambuap and Bambuap?
บักม่วง บักบวบ
Oh, okay. Hey, good morning, everyone. Tony here, Royal Creek Golf Resort with the beautiful caddy Ying. And it's just wonderful out here this morning. Very cool and nice. You know, I remember a week or two ago, man, it was freezing. We're out here with our jackets on. Just really cold. But now it's just freaking perfect. Sun's coming up. Not a bad start. I got a, well, I'm averaging a bogey a hole. I got a bogey, a double, and then I just parred the last hole. So, you know, they don't call me the bogeyman for nothing. Anyway, we're going to try to keep this momentum going, get a few more pars. Try to break 45 on the front 9. Okay, that'll work. That'll work. Not my best drive off this tee, but it's playable. 140. So caddy says I'm 140. Uphill. Oh, I didn't get all of it. Pushed it. Mind the bunker? Well, certainly not something you'd hope for. Oops, not all that. Not enough sand. Nice. All right. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bogey. Seventh hole, hit my tee shot into the water, so I had to take a penalty shot and then I 3-putted. So that hole kind of sunk me. Other than that, you know, I'm in there. 46 on the front. Not what I was shooting for, but I'll make it up on the back. That's my plan now. Grab a couple of cans of aiming fluid here and I'll be good to go. bad shot. Come on, get up there.
That's inside the gimme circle.
Can you give me that?
Yeah.
Not ideal at all. It's okay, I think I'm pin high though. Up and down for par. There I am. Shot is not straight. Oh, get up there.
That's good.
Get up there.
Good putt.
Get to be my age. You never pass up a chance to use the toilet as you go by. Well, it didn't turn out like I wanted to. Kind of fell apart on the back 9. Had a 3 putt. Started out with two double bogeys. I had 3 triple bogeys on the back 9. 2 pars. So I had like 5 pars for the day. Shot a 46 in the front and a 50 on the back. So that gives me a 96. So the goal of 89 is yet to be obtained, but maybe later in the week. I think I'm going to come back Thursday and play. See what I can do on Thursday. Only 3-putted twice. Only twice, so there's that. A lot of 1-putts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1-putts. I guess not a lot, but anyway, there you have it. Good day out here though. Beautiful day. It's starting to warm up now, but it was beautiful all day. It started off cool and stayed cool. Had a nice breeze blowing, which really didn't affect my shooting any. But good day overall. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I'm heading back to the farm now. Checking in on the dogs. See what's going on. All right, just made it home. Oh, I'm old and stiff. That busted pelvis I had years ago still affected me. Pooh should be here with some lunch any minute. And look, the old man's got the new flag up. Look at that, huh? Glad to see that. Look who's there. Ammo, what are you doing, buddy? Huh? You got grandma's slipper? Does she know that? Huh? Does she know you got her slipper, buddy? Huh? Come here. Come on. It's me. Yeah. What are you doing, buddy? Huh? Ah. Yeah. Oh, man. Turned my back and Pooey prepped my noodles for me and she spiced it up. Whew.
No.
Gonna have to eat this slow.
Any sugar? No?
Did you put some in already?
You don't need it.
A little bit of sugar? That's probably all I need. I don't need a lot of sugar. I get enough in my diet. What you got, man? Oh, you got a bunch of mangoes.
มะม่วง
Mamuang?
มะม่วง
Mamuang?
หมักม่วง
Oh, got some cucumbers too.
บักบวบ
Babuap?
อันนี้หมักม่วง อันนี้บักบวบ
Mambuap and Bambuap?
บักม่วง บักบวบ
Oh, okay.
เมนูอีสาน
Uh-huh. Okay.
โอเคหาบักอ้วนก่อนใช่มัน
Oh man, ducks are getting big. Almost eating size. I'm not sure which one of those two are making all the racket in the morning. They both might have to disappear. Heard a bunch of ruckus going on back there. I thought I'd go see what's going on, but apparently I missed it. Hey, Emma, what you got? What you got there? Give me that. It's trash. Here. Yeah, chew on that. There you go. Good boy. So, Queen made some chicken and vegetables here, which is good, like cashew chicken and veggies. Looks awesome. I said, "Where's the rice, baby?"
No.
So, oh, I forgot the rice. I have rice soup.
Yes.
I have rice soup, but not just like rice.
You can
I
eat.
said, how can you not have rice? This
You
is
can
Thailand.
eat soup. Rice soup, you taste.
I don't know.
Taste a little bit. Yeah.
It's okay. I'd rather eat chicken, cashew chicken, and chicken wings. These chicken wings are the best. I'd take these hands down over 4 out of 5 restaurants that I get chicken wings in.
I think I don't.
But I'm trying to avoid hiring, or I'm sorry, I'm trying to avoid buying chicken wings from the restaurants and places I go because it's kind of stereotypical of a Falang, you know, ordering chicken wings. I try to stay away from it. But if I'm not careful, she'll order them for me because I'm a Falang. She knows I'll probably eat them, but they're never as good as these. These are always better. Anyway, so I'm having cashew chicken without rice for the first time. It's okay.
I think
You get a demerit.
Not not light. I think you can eat.
Yeah, I don't need the rice anyway. I'll just have a donut for breakfast or for dessert, and it'll make up for all that rice. All right, looks like chow time. See you guys later.